Have you ever noticed that your mind can be crueler than reality itself? Seneca captured this perfectly when he said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Most of the pain we feel isn't from what actually happens, but from the stories we create in our heads. We imagine failure before we even try. We picture rejection before we speak. We rehearse disasters that never come true. In doing so, we suffer twice, once in our thoughts, and maybe again in real life. Think about an exam, a job interview, or a difficult conversation. The stress builds up long before the moment arrives. You feel anxious, nervous, even hopeless. But when it actually happens, it's rarely as bad as you imagined. That extra suffering was unnecessary. It was only in your head. This is the wisdom of Stoicism. Focus on what you can control, and let go of what you can't. The future is uncertain, but your mind doesn't have to be your enemy. If you allow your imagination to run wild, it steals your peace. But if you guide it, it becomes your strength. This doesn't mean ignoring real risks. It means preparing wisely, but refusing to torture yourself with worries that may never happen. Fear can warn you, but it should never rule you. So the next time you catch yourself drowning in what-ifs, pause and remember Seneca's words. Reality, when it finally arrives, is almost always lighter than the storm we created in our imagination.